So, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and very good evening. So, regarding the parcel I just received yesterday, today I am going to make a video of me unboxing the parcel. So, stay tuned and please like the video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, today I am going to make a video of me unboxing something that I bought. So for the last 3 days, I purchased a book. So here is it. It's arrived yesterday. Today I am going to unboxing this book. So this is the book that I bought. By the way, I changed the camera because I think it is too far away. So this is the book that I bought. It is entitled Red Queen by Victoria Aveyard. It is a fantasy adult genre novel. So before we proceed, let me tell you a story of how I decided to buy this book. So a few days ago, I was scrolling my social media and this book popped up on my recommendation. After I look at the cover, I feel like wow, so I do a research about this book and I found that it is quite interesting. After I read the summary, the synopsis, I also asked my friend about this book and they say it is an amazing book because the book is not as cliche. The plot is quite interesting and they say it is worth reading, so that's when I decided to buy it. So I bought it at 32 ringgit after discount and it also has free shipping. By the way, I'm using my mom's money, so but the price is quite affordable. It's not that expensive because usually this kind of novel it's about 80 ringgit above, sometimes hundreds above. So when I found this book it's only 32 ringgit. That's why I bought it. So that's why I bought it. And I bought it at MPH online bookstores because that's the only place that I usually buy books. But I think other bookstores also have it, such as Kinokuniya, Popular, and others bookstores outside theirs. Oh, by the way, this book is a serious novel. You see, there's 3 more novels after this one. And just now, I read about a few chapters. I skip that. After I read just a few chapters, I found this book is quite interesting. When they say it's worth reading, that I believe them. So I think after I finish this one, I'm going to read the next series until I finish all of the series. I'm going to buy a new one. That's what I meant actually. So you guys out there, especially those bookworms, you need to read this book. You need to buy it. I swear you're not going to regret if you buy it, but you're going to regret if you don't buy it. Maybe somebody who don't like reading book, after read this book you're going to unlock a new hobbies of reading. It also says here over 5 million copies are sold, so that means this book is quite popular and maybe it's an amazing story really. So quickly grab it before it's sold out because last time I checked there's only a few left. Go faster, grab it, or you can go to online bookstore. I think Shopee also have it, but never mind. If there's none at Shopee, you can go to the bookstores. But quickly grab it before it's sold out. It's really sold out. So that's all from me. Bye. Good luck on reading this book.